Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we are going to unbox the Therabody Theragun Relief. So I got this from Amazon on sale for $110, $110 on sale from Amazon. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this massage gun out, but before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here it is, the Therabody Theragun Relief. On the top left corner, here's what the gun looks like. I chose the black color, but it also comes in blue and sand color. On the bottom right corner here, it says it relieves aches, reduce tension, and ease stiffness. This is scientifically proven benefits. It has a fast and effective massage, patented ergonomic grip, and it has 3 massage attachments. It has 3 speeds, and this is a US FDA registered, certified. So here are the sides of the box. Here you have the Therabody branding. You have a barcode on this side of the box, and on this side, on the left side of the box, here you can read more about their story and how Therabody started off. You can also download the app that they have from the Apple or Google Play Store. Experience more with the Therabody app. Further personalize your device and find routines specifically to what you need. And here on this side of the box, talks about what's included. This includes the Theragun Relief device, 3 massage attachments, and a USB-C charging cable. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. So here it is. Here is the back side of the box. Here we have the Theragun Relief in use. This is an easy to use 1-button control. It has a patented ergonomic grip to comfortably reach your entire body. This has a 10mm percussive massage therapy to help with daily aches and pains and improve sleep. This has a scientifically designed attachment to target different areas of your body, and this is scientifically proven benefits. So here it says comfortable everyday massage for everybody, and here are the 3 attachments that it comes with each of the attachment that has a specific purpose, as you can see right there. And let's go ahead and go to the front of the box, and let me go ahead and take my X-Acto knife, which I have ready to go, and finally unbox this thing. So for $110 on sale, I think this is a great deal. The regular price with the Theragun Relief from Therabody comes around with $160 if it's not on sale. So yeah, so removing the plastic shrink wrap, I am super excited to try this massage gun Theragun Relief out. Let's go ahead and see where we will unbox this, and I believe this is where I believe the outside of the presentation is just a sleeve, and this is one of those pull-out sleeves. I really love the unboxing experience so far, since it's not your typical open up the box type of presentations. It's where you get to slide the cover out. So here's a QR code. Your journey starts here. Download the Therabody app to register your new device and personalize your experience. So really love the unboxing presentation from Therabody, which they did a great job of doing here. And here is what we will get once we open up the lid, and here's what we will see. So the first thing that you will see is a pamphlet to get to know your Theragun Relief. Here are your percussive massage therapy, the 3 attachments that comes with your device, the damper, standard ball and thumb. And below that is the guide on how you would connect an attachment, how to power on your massage gun. And here you can explore some more steps on how to use the device. So let's go ahead and remove this plastic cover out of the way. And really like the presentation from Therabody. Once you finally see the device, here you have this pamphlet reading materials on that explains which of these attachments is used for. And here you have this guide on how to refresh your legs, reduce neck tension, and relieve lower back pain. Really like how they printed out these info cards for you to use, unless you do not want to download the app. Here are the attachments. They are rubberized attachments, so they're not like the hard plastic ones. And yeah, so those are rubberized. And the third attachment is on the Theragun itself. Here you have this USB Type-C cable. So it's a USB-C to USB-C cable. Let's go ahead and put this back in this compartment. And let's go ahead and check out the massage gun that we have here. Really like how compact this is. But before we check out the massage gun, let's go ahead and check out what this compartment is about. So I really like the unboxing presentation here. Here you have the Theragun Relief user manual and your unit warning legal information. So I believe this is a straightforward device. So let's go ahead and check out the Theragun Relief by Therabody. Here you have minimal branding. This is in black color. Here's your third attachment. And here you have Theragun Relief printed on to the device. And really love the grip and handle of this thing. Really love the build quality. Does not feel cheap. So I have my iPhone 15 Pro Max out, and it's basically two iPhone 15 Pro Max if you want to get a sense of how big this thing is. So it's about two i15 Pro Max. Here's the power button and your LED indicator lights. So let's see if it has a charge. And to charge this up, you would charge this with the USB-C cable. So let's go ahead and charge this up. So after an initial charge, all you have to do is hold down the power button, and after a couple of seconds, this would turn on. And here you have your 3 LED indicator lights, which shows the speed and strength once you push down the button. And that's how you would turn it on. And yeah, so really love the comfort here. And of course you would need to download the app or read from the printed materials on how you would use this thing, on how you would use this on your body for your specific needs. So really love this device so far. That is my initial impression. So be sure to read through these cards to know each function, and you will love your Theragun Relief. So that will do it for this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this Theragun Relief. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. And I will definitely see you on the next one.